Shantideva said, you'll get used to it. Yeah, 8 minutes. It's a big, it's a wombo, it's a gospel chick, it's a gomega, it's a borsichin. Magum kangun. Dulin to kangun, it's a borsichin. Those who are not used to meditation, one of the biggest obstacles is getting bored because you're so used to moving around, so you're not used to, you can't even sit down for 8 minutes. Usually 8 minutes is nothing. But since we're not used to it, like Shantideva said, there is nothing that doesn't become easy by habituation. You think I was born like this? You think I was born with my leg crossed, with sucking my little finger coming out of my mother's womb? No. I went through so much hardships. I habituated myself so purposefully, so hard, so diligently, with the help of my teachers and my elders and my guru. The years I spent in retreat, it was so difficult. But like I said, it's so true, Shantideva's teachings. Because when I was in retreat in Darjeeling I was there for a few years, and Darjeeling is a very difficult place to do retreat. Ladakh is perfect because it's dry. When you do retreat in a wet place like Darjeeling, I love Darjeeling, Darjeeling is a nice place, but the weather itself, it's not very helpful for meditation, that's what I'm saying. As the place is beautiful, so many people go there. Otherwise, if the place is not nice, why would people go there? So when I did my retreat, I did it in a small, like a shed, like a small, it was not a proper house. It was just like house made of plywoods, like a hut. And being a hut, you have, so frogs, which I'm terrified of. You have frogs, spiders, lizards. You have all kinds of like strange creatures, creepy crawlies, crawling all over your body. And my mattress was on the floor. So difficult. And there were rats. They used to eat all my tormas, the offering. The tormas. They used to run on my head. And when I used to wake up, because Darjeeling is so wet, there were so many cobwebs, spider webs. I used to wake up and literally would just cover with cobwebs, And then I would go outside. Sometimes I wouldn't be able to go to the toilet because the toilet is outside. Because there's a huge frog, toad, frog. And I'm so scared of frogs. I have this phobia of frogs, blocking my way. So I would just pee on outside my door, who gives a damn? I don't want to go to the toilet. I'll just pee outside, So I went through so many hardships, but not even once, did I break my retreat. Did I come out? I said, no, enough. I was there for a few years in Darjeeling. 2008, 9, I think, those years. Not even once did I give up and come out saying okay, I've had enough. I miss pizza, I miss movies, I miss singing, dancing, I miss my friends. No, I persevered. I persevered. I took upon all the small insect bites, all the skin rashes. No snake bit me, but still, So because of this, your patience builds up. Your endurance builds up, and that carries, I think, according to Buddhist teaching, that carries not only in this lifetime, but to your next life also, It's like a chain. That's how you train your mind. You become stronger and stronger. You evolve as a human being. 참아가 춘선에 니스동 달 춘선에만 올렸다 드링상 로 스튜징 하나에 놓 알레 마 도질링 알로 가시 참아독센 봐 데니스 원도 당신 바치 동사살에 데니 도질링 참아독센에 도질링 가시 kumbesa게 말데모 저거 kumbesa게 달레 된 다서대가 셔다 유트노 말데모 자티웃 두파군 두팡군 마 도전에 좀 밑빌레 스팡레베 캉팔레 플라이우드 캉파 덴발레 다 대샤 식스노 나닝로 식센 곰파 다테가 소마주치스피아 시멘 당세 캉팔 데모 식치스피아 마 도전에 플라이우드 캉바지만 밑빌레 둘전에 요포사마 끼릭끼릭끼릭 제빌레 데나마네 플라이우드 샤모노클레 son tene Darjeeling yultal demo nokle Darjeeling yul mal demo et in ontokshis lumpale la la total opposite maka je na maka gela mano illa pe parlate maka amiro to gelche manle chilo kacha wache kangshi washi maska ma haptare re chachilo gonjogle mala lompa khoro gon langsinda skama manokle tolia skama manokle tolia ta kanes kamle tolia ta mane kora hapta ngisum jugorona yalla tele namina chapatan chapa sip lums popor lumpale long doesn't don't down on the sabune man chi chuang is bolmole माने कोरा घंटा पे जिनी चुस को इंदुको सानले पर लोंग चुस ना बोर्ड नाले सोमा दोजिले लो बाजिक समदुक से ते मर शंटे नास्तोले समदुक से लदा सोस माने मिरुक जास काम पोगुस दुपले से 장모 조식 ते दोजिले 장모 때 이노테 तेने तेना बुत्सी क्योंसले ता लदा सब थो मिंगे चेसे बुत्सी आने ले आजांग ले जु हाले टू खुद दुकान बुजिक चिपु दुकान बुजिक हाले सो शिंग दुकान बुजिक हाले ओ या शिंग जायों काने बुजिक तोरमा जाकाने सबीली माने खोन गोका सबीली गुन स्टेटा पे नि तांजने तेने इजु बचापे मित बिले इजु स्तानबो सेका पर्ति बिले तेने माने गोर सबीली सम गोका दुलते मिंडा जस्ट माने आलिए तो तांसे गोंजोल शंटे नासोंले ता फैसिलिटीज को ठीक जावे पे करजी वजी गेले ते इना मौसम करिची जेता मौसम चेंज में पे माना सोंबसं इस नास्तोंले बुझे जम सोदाले 건조 이런 걸 미시스 마가라 좀 나스통래 필로가직 잡사 친 섬네 때가 라미가 때 발파치노 멘닥 저리미로 멘닥 산디직 서럭래 대오만에 그런 포비아 그런 감록서를 민dik 서럭래 멘닥은 람 룰라직 섬이라 말래 룰랭이 북다 또 냐자럭래 멘닥은 산디직 서럭래 감록도 벌버스스 미로 대시경을 밀루 그 수시 진지시 만 멘닥도 너무 그런 거지 직서럭래 대네 벌벌 필요하직 친 섬 맞는 때 고직 빼지는 때가 멘닥 신고 주격래 버르제르지나 아니 그런 굿 근데 대초다 참하는 거 근데 그 그리 거친 단스 나들 거지 뭐나 잠지로 아선도 동벌래 다시 지월에 걸로 붙나 몰칸 보드링 같다 때문에 직접 가시 보죠 비앙치마나 대주 맞다 판도 벌래 대초스 너빠 춘군 조테 metna 다시 조도 게나 만을래 다시 조도 게나 만을래 할래 다시 조도 게나 만을래 초스중에나 만을래 간다 또 록다운 손들 다니스 sonte ta lockdown zera mana la das mata i coronavirus pura ban sonte ma dikane la deja tsepo mi sumje mane ma bin bile mari company dirish ni mo chik sung ya ju tene deja mangyo chik sung ya ju tene colonie chik sung sumka mi transkani pere mane korang gaspo me met lama goshe zane mane ma sum bile mi mo bozo na chek mi rusam yale sombasam mane gozdum chirmo ju zane mane sum khozin colonie chik 망교 직 되네 드링 신imo직 대수만이 많이 마빙 빌래 가식 빅니 좋아 차로글레 가식 주대 담아 주대 주술로 차격르ski 보조체 경마 증인다 조락도 되나 아 차치 아사서 증인하면라고 스키퍼라 두명 손텔레 겁나 라월 민규를 뭐데 칸 요마인 데스데 부직 춘춘춘이 쏟아서 봐서 땡이 되는 dumți sumeca chomna 장차만올래 메나 chomna 장차만올래 스탁모 루진라 상게 샤케토베 가지고 되는 쿠리샤 차테 스탁모 루진 장 zumu 요만올래 수수 믹핑스데 짐바탕한테는올래 곰불루비 쿠리 짐바차테 되네 짐바탕세는올래 gelpe 쿠리 자웨 gelpe 부자와 손 봐서 대중한테는 봐 오, 대웅아 다 검스파이노클레. 이 춘춘춘 공부선클레. 하고 아시겠다. 부모 주먹세계는 습이 공부선클레. We have to habituate ourselves, you know. We can't just give up with a small pain. Yeah, you have some pain, relax, and then again, you know, fold your legs, sit, train your mind. Don't always just get up and go. So it's 6:30. 다들 보르탄 미결래. 오, there is something alterach. I think today I will take leave. Tomorrow we will try to do 2 sessions. Ale, during the country china petsong, then it's a big rest. Le, then Instagram mikayele. You know when you message mo bukala zate to. You have sent so many messages on Instagram. Seriously, I just saw the numbers. You know, like I don't know, 50, 60 something plus, or like new message request 60 plus or 100 plus. I can't even remember now. Now it must be 100. You know, and the messages that I usually have already accepted. I don't know, maybe like 200 plus, you know. So I just left it. Board dance milling. Board dance milling. Taestine dasache coffee to tunji piloko tuxena. Kulea kulengena one message tenale. Kashikashine, Juliet to kill. Kashikashine tene, or Yanchi Kurang, Skidugrisha to Kirale. Teguna reply, make commit. Mitantale. Chikizuk Naxtak, Izushi Raziste, Zumorak Zeratosla, Jixarak Zeratosla, confidence Mirak Zeratosla, Tenezushi, Nakampa Naxtuk, Abales Zukchuruk, Amales Zukchuru, no Zukchuru, no Zukchuru, Tegoning is reply Tantele. The Shamagula Kojita, hard buttons and to Pale. Support Tatak just was a hard chipping to Pole. Like Zanopa, like pushes put to Pele. So I will go through the messages and I will take a rest. Today I'm a little bit tired. It's already 1.5 hours, so you guys continue to meditate, please, yeah. And I will try to respond as much as I can to the messages, to the hundreds of messages I've received on Instagram. Some of them are very important messages that I usually receive, important queries, not just like philosophical questions, but some people have real life issues. So I just try to speak to them, try to alleviate their, I can't fix everything, but I can try to do my best. Doing me just try to Samara Tujiche, and again, some Jujuzukan and Nakshari Kalazat, Nakshari Kalazat, and Apatacharang and Kanin, Kazushigin, Kazua meditate Churuk, choose Kazuo Sildo, in Yama Lesila Lazerazosla, Abili Sila Lazerazosla, no Mumiska, Ikanizu, meditation Chola Zerazosa, Tuzu Nakshari, and Asambatadarle. So send pictures. I like to see your faces, I want to see you meditating outside, inside. I want to see you praying with your relatives, take some pictures and just send it to me. I prefer that. Julie is good. Julie to Julie. No. Julie panse karishunde. Julie to Julie, lekin sadme nyampo nakshari kalazat na. Altimo surara nyana muni zupo share choza dele. Tene samala. Oh yeah, tukchiche. Oh, tene TMS3 brothers ka sampel nang ka smolam nang ka tsing sum ka nokle. Oh, deja lu multi musala sats. Oh yeah, samala tene Julie. Oh, Julie to one. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow, and I will upload the stanzas for tomorrow shortly before I go to sleep. Didn't upload just on itu just try just memorize just try just timira komna lawar mingyuwe mu de kan yumai komna lawar mingyuwe mu de kan yumai komna lawar mingyuwe no de je pitch in this patini jata ten this mona the special mobile na yute no pale, so just keep it in your mobile, if you speak Tibetan Bodhi, just memorize them. Then memorize just something to signis po komna lawar mingyuwe mu de kan yumai no kalpaton do sapaye jinda de shinchula so kalpaton do sapaye jinda de shinchula so lekje kan te gonja kontro jigin jumberje kalpaton do sapaye jinda de shinchula so lekje kan te gonja kontro jigin jumberje ya ju sabik tene dula kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose kalbadondo tene kolak tuzan kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose mana tene kalji kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose kalbadondo saboye jina de jinjula zole jigen de jan kono jigen jumose tene itu yo na pale 대한민국이랑 아유 라이프 살아지냐 먹을 거지 밥지 양 됐나 스톤 스페셜 양 됐나 지주로 폴리티션 군이 양 오피서 군이 지지를 됐나 코르비나 코르디지 판치니까 할래 미나 보고는 이쪽 맞다 뉴 벨라스게 베친두스 퍼센트니 여기서 마요 볼래 yeah, just somebody take care. Thank you so much. I'll see you all tomorrow 5 p.m. same time. July